Due process is often described as a safeguard, a system that listens before it acts. It promises that no one will lose their rights, their liberty, or their status without a fair chance to respond. But for international students in the United States right now, that promise is unraveling in real time. Behind the appearance of order lies a machinery that moves quietly, impersonally, and without the basic dignity of acknowledgement. Students are not being expelled from the country because they were found guilty of crimes. In many cases, they weren't charged at all. Some were pulled into the system by outdated citations or background check errors, others by unverified claims or administrative misunderstandings. And yet their SEVIS records, the key to their legal presence, are being terminated without notice, hearing, or explanation. Their status ends before they even know there's something to defend. There is, in theory, a legal remedy. The reinstatement process allows students to apply for a return to lawful status. But this depends on one thing: a reinstatement I-20 from their university. That document doesn't guarantee reinstatement, it simply opens the door to the process. But now, many schools are refusing to issue it, not because the law forbids it, but because they've been told, informally, not to help. The result is a system where students remain procedurally eligible for justice but structurally barred from accessing it. This is how due process ends in the immigration context, not in a courtroom but in an email inbox that never replies. Not with a trial but with a flag in a database. Not with a verdict but with a form that's never offered. Everything looks lawful. The regulations still exist, the forms still circulate, but the system is hollowed out from the inside. Students are told they could have fought back, if only they could find the way in. The final irony is the most devastating. The rules are followed just closely enough to simulate fairness. A termination is filed, a process is named, a remedy is mentioned, but for the students who are locked out, it's all a facade. The forms are unavailable, the rules cannot be applied, because due process, the promise that you would be heard, died the moment they clicked.